Do you know the tongue weight of our trailer?
Actually, I do. And I'm going to tell you how you can find out what your tongue weight is in this
Midweek
midweek update. Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we're going to be sharing with you a great product that's going to help you weigh the tongue weight of your trailer. But before we get to that, we have a few updates this week, starting with I got to visit the Fort Wayne RV show last week.
Yeah, you got lucky. He went on a day, because I'm not in Fort Wayne, so you got lucky. You got to go last
Absolutely.
Thursday.
I went on day one
Yeah.
in the afternoon, and that would be my advice. If you're looking to go to an RV show, if there's any way you can sneak in there on the first day, which is usually in the middle of the week,
Right.
it's going to be a lot less crowded
Yeah, you can
as
get
opposed to
in.
going on the weekend.
Right.
So
Yeah, because on the weekends, as you guys know, if you went on the weekend trailer shows, you can't see anything really. So so cool.
unfortunately, none of my favorite trailers are.
No.
There was no new camp products.
No.
There was no in-tech products. There was no Airstream products. And that's one of the problems with the smaller regional shows.
Yeah.
There's not quite as much variety. But I do think I found some cool trailers, and you can check them all out in this upcoming video that will launch on Sunday night at 5 p.m. Eastern on our channel. I'm going to give you just a taste of what I found. And I ran into our old buddy, Steve.
Yeah.
Steve has actually sold us 6 of our 9 trailers.
That is
He was
crazy.
there working the show, and it was really great to catch up
That's
with
so
him.
cool.
So
Cool.
then on Saturday,
Yeah.
my cousin Steve and his wife Dee came up, and we hung out for the day.
We had so much fun. We took them to Heartland Winery in Ashley, which is south of here, one of their favorites.
Yep.
And we did a wine tasting and had some fun there.
So what was your thoughts on the wine?
I like the variety, because for me, when I was first looked at the sheet, I saw all the dry, and I was
That were
like,
all on the front page.
I was like, oh boy, I'm not gonna like anything. And then I flipped it over, and I'm like, oh, here we go. So they had semi-sweet, and then clear down to sweet. So I did 3 semi-sweet. They were all good. There was one that stuck out more than the others. The Catawba was my favorite. And then I had to try one that was a little sweeter, because it said it tasted like grape jelly. And boy, did it
it
ever.
really did taste
It
like
was-
grape jelly. You might.
And I'm not a big grape jelly person, but that was really good. All I need is some toast.
Yeah.
It was
So,
good.
yeah, they're very good. Heartland, by the way, is a harvest host.
Yes.
And so if you're looking for a harvest host in Northeast Indiana, wonderful winery, excellent wines. They ship to over 40 states.
That's crazy.
And they had
Yeah.
3 red wines, and one was a rosé, bourbon barrel aged, which I
Yeah.
absolutely love.
Yeah, you were all on that.
And we'll actually be opening a bottle from Heartland
Yeah.
Friday night on our Friday night wine down that we do every Friday over on Instagram TV and Facebook. So if you want to see what Patty's reaction is on Friday night,
Yeah.
join us over on Instagram TV or our Facebook page. And if she likes it, she's going to
Mama
do her
likey.
Mama likey. And speaking of Mama likey,
Yeah.
we just launched a brand new T-shirt over on our Teespring shop. It's the official Mama Likey T-shirt. It's a
Yes.
white ladies T-shirt with a glass of red wine and the words Mama Likey.
It is so
if
cute.
you want to show off your affection for a good glass of wine and be like Patty, you can now proclaim Mama
Mama
Likey.
Likey,
So
yeah.
you can check those out. I did want to mention we did have one piece of mail this week, and I just wanted to share with you that our friend Manic up in Wisconsin sent us a real nice gift. She actually hand sewed these, and these are bowl cozies. I don't know if any of you have ever seen these before. They are wonderful. You put your bowl in them, and you set the whole thing in the microwave, heat up what it is you're heating up, and when you pull it out, you don't get burned. You actually have this nice cozy around it, and you can continue to keep your bowl right in there while you
Anything
eat.
hot
Yep.
protects your hands.
And I love this one because it has,
the little trailer.
it's got the little trailers.
This was real
and-
nice and classy. So yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Absolutely
so
love
much.
these. These will definitely be getting used, Manic. Thank you
Here
so much.
And in the trailer.
Absolutely. Friday night, we did a live stream to announce our next camp out.
Yep.
And for those of you not familiar, a Travels with Delaney camp out means we get together for about 3 days typically. The first evening, we do a wine and cheese reception where Patty and I, we provide the cheese and crackers.
Yep.
Everybody brings a bottle of wine or a growler of beer or a soft beverage to share. And we just get to know each other.
Right.
Then one of the nights, we end up doing a potluck dinner where we provide the entree, maybe hot dogs and hamburgers, brats. We've done things like that before. And then one morning, I fire up the Blackstone and we do a pancake sausage breakfast for everybody.
Right.
And then what we try to do is find some things in the area that we can do as a group. You can come, you can do some of it, you can do none of it, but it's all just about getting us together and having a good time hanging out and
fun.
camping.
Yep.
Absolutely no cost to join us. You just book your reservation at the designated camp area, or if you don't have a camper, book a hotel in the area, and then you can join us again to hang out and have good fun and good food. And Patty, where did we announce we're headed?
We're going to be in West Yellowstone, Montana,
Woohoo!
from July 7th through July 10th at Grizzly RV Park. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
And what makes this one extra special, we're co-hosting this camp house with our good friends Russ and Carrie from the Roads We Roam. And so between us and them and all of you, it's going to be a really good time. I do know you want to book your campsite early because, number one, this is Yellowstone in summer, which means it is busy. And there's not a lot of campsites left. We already know several people who have booked their campsites, so make sure you get yours reserved if you want to meet me in Montana July 7th through the 10th. So
how do we know the tongue weight?
How do we know the tongue weight? So that's what we're going to talk about. So I was watching a recent video from Princess Craft RV. They were at a show of like vendors for RVs and campers, and they came across this product from Curt. Now, most of us know Curt for things like hitching and anything related with trailers. Curt has come out with this new product, and as soon as I saw it, I said, I have to have one.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
So I called down to Princess Craft, talked to Cody, their parts manager. He took my credit card information, shipped me one, and I just got it a couple days ago. And the product is the Curt BetterWeigh system. Yes, what's in this thin package actually will tell me what my tongue weight is. So the way this actually works is, this thing's no bigger than, as Lindsay at Princess Craft said, no bigger than a bite-sized candy bar.
That's true.
And the way it works is you just plug this into that OBD port that's going to be down below your steering column, somewhere under the dashboard. It's what you would plug in like a code reader to find out if your car was having issues, or some of the insurance companies now have you plug in and they give you discounts. So all you have to do is you download the Curt app on your smartphone, you plug this in, and you power up your tow vehicle. And then from there, you just kind of push on the app what you want to do, whether you want to do tongue weight, or if you have a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, you do pin weight. Maybe you just want to find out how much cargo you're putting in the bed of your tow vehicle. You can also, because it uses an accelerometer,
that's fun.
Say that 10 times fast. You can actually find out what your tow vehicle weighs.
Oh, cool.
And eventually you can find out what your tow vehicle trailer weighs. And when you know your tow vehicle by itself, subtract it, you'll know what your trailer weighs.
That's cool.
Now, I haven't had time to do all of those, but I did go ahead and try it out on the tongue weight. Perfect. So how does it work? After you have it, the vehicle running and you fired up the app, then you back your vehicle underneath your tow or your trailer, okay? And then on your app, you're going to hit start, and then it's going to tell you lower your trailer down on the ball. Okay. And when it gets down, it will actually read. It gives you a reading. It's crazy. And you're thinking, well, just how accurate is this? Well, how accurate is it, Patty?
It is very accurate. It's pretty close.
Yeah, within 5%, Curt says.
That is crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And what I'm excited about is you can just keep this right in your tow vehicle, put it in the glove box, and as you're traveling, because here's the thing, even if you weigh it one time at a scale, it's going to change because you're going to put in things like fresh water, or there's going to be times you're not going to have fresh water, cargo. And so this is going to allow you, if you want, every time you hitch up and unhitch, to check your rate.
Perfect.
Weight, not rate.
Weight.
Wait. There's one more thing it does. Are you using weight distribution? This will actually help you set up your weight distribution hitch.
Now, how much is that thing?
How much is this? MSRP $128.
Okay.
I think it's worth every penny. Curt BetterWeigh system. I'm going to link a video of another product that we reviewed earlier that I absolutely love. You can check that product out.
It's cool too. Yep.
Till next time, everybody. We'll see ya.
On down the road.
Good night. Can you say good night?